Do the fifth question. B is wrong, guys. Ray and Anvi. And Samev, you have to send the value of A and B both. So I kind of cannot identify which one is A. Okay, fine. You have done it correctly, but just send me the value separately. You also made a mistake. Did you change your answer?
Sir, who?
You did you
No,
change
sir.
your answer? No, then it was correct.
So the answer is sent 2 minutes earlier. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
one.
Fine, fine. So see, guys, when you got 21 plus 21 minus 2 root 3, everyone got this. And we have to compare it with A plus B root 3. So A is positive, it is, and it is a rational number or a whole number, it is equal to 21. But when you compare minus 2 root 3 equals to B root 3, when you cancel out the root 3's, you are left with B equal to minus 2. All of you made this mistake. All right. So, Anvi understood. So
B is
do
equal to
the,
minus 2. Right?
yes, B will be equal to minus 2. I showed you how, because this is equal to B root 3. And if there was a minus sign here, then B would have been equal to 2. But unfortunately, it's A plus B root 3. So B will be equal to minus 2. We have to compare them like this.
Then my answer is correct, right?
So, but you send me 2.
No, sir, I sent minus 2.
Okay, I missed the minus in both of you. It's also and raise also. Fine. Fine, all right. Okay, guys, do the sixth question D part. Anvi is not correct. Rayan, beta, use the bracket to show the what's the numerator and what's the denominator.
Okay.
You will be using the brackets in calculator also.
Yes, sir.
So if you have got it right, you can do the E part and then F and G also. So Samev, we use round brackets,
Sir,
which is
by mistake.
okay, beta.
Sir, I didn't get it. Like, this is all correct.
Let me solve. So what's the rationalizing factor or conjugate? What's the rationalizing factor in this question?
Under root 3.
The root 3. So we will multiply under root 3 in the numerator, in the denominator. Remember to use brackets here because without brackets, it's not correct. So you will get 2 root 3 plus 3 upon 3.
So, then won't we got 3 and 3?
This 3 and 3.
Hmm.
Suppose you have 7 upon 3. Do you write it like this? 4 plus 3 upon 3. Then cut this 3 and this 3. So
Okay, got
similarly, this 3 and this 3 won't be cut.
okay.
Kuvarsa, I did not get your previous answer. Did you send?
Sir,
Yeah,
we
you
did
sent. Yes, now I got it now. I got it now. So for that under root question, why did I take my 0.1, 0.2? Because I had to compare it with 0.1, 0.2. All right. For the school question that you asked, why did I start with 0.1, 0.2? Because these were my comparison numbers. Or the negative sign means, no, Ray, that has been said by Ray. Ray, the arrow signs means it's not simplified.
Sir, which one?
F part.
Okay.
Or there is a very slight small mistake in your answer. So whoever you copied or is Peter, you made the same mistake. All right, E part I am solving. So my rationalizing factor will be root 6 plus root 3. My rationalizing factor will be root 6 plus root 3. Do you realize that, Cover and Ore? So my
Yes.
answer would be root 6 plus root 3 upon 3. And we please check the E part.
Sir, I've written under root 6 plus under root 3 upon minus 3.
How beta minus 3? Because roots, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. So we do A square minus B square. Whichever is the first number, we do that. Okay. So it will be 6 minus 3, not 3 minus 6.
Okay, okay, got it.
Five. Ray beta, still there is a little bit mistake in your answer. I'll explain.
Like in the simplifying or like the
In the
answer?
simplifying, in the simplifying. And your G part is also not correct. So that's why we are doing each and every question for this, because we are making mistakes. So many crosses. Ore, you also understood your mistake in the E part?
Yes, sir.
All right. But you did well in the test. So I can let go of that one question that you got wrong now. And we, first of all, it's not simplified, and without the bracket, it will make an entirely different sense. Kuvarsa, what's my answer? You can speak.
6 under root 5 plus 16 upon 4. So we can simplify it to 4 under root 5 plus 4 upon 4. Upon 0.
Upon what?
So 4 under root 5 plus 4. This is yeah.
Yes, it's correct. So let me solve it. Next question. So 16 upon root 5 minus 1 multiplied with root 5 plus 1, then again multiplied with root 5 plus 1. So I will get 16. Let me keep it like this only, because sometimes number gets simplified and I know it will get simplified. 5 minus 1 is 4. So it will be 4 root 5 plus 4. So Ray, when you got, you actually got this.
Yes,
What
sir.
did you get? You got
So like
16 root
16
5 plus 16 upon 4. Then
Yes.
beta, if you have to simplify, again you have to take 4 common. So the better is I multiply at the end, especially when it's getting simplified. All
Okay, sir.
right, Anvi, Kuvarsa. All right, guys.
Yes.
All right, Samay, you are the fastest. Samay, you can do the next one. So Ray, it's correct, beta, but we are making mistakes. Anvi, we are making mistakes, beta. Calculation mistakes. So who will get the highest in the Cambridge exam that happened like in April? Who is going to get the highest?
Not me.
So let's see, he or she will get a pizza treat from me. Whoever, so whoever gets very good marks, highest in the batch, plus it should be very good, then that person will get a pizza treat from me. Let's see who gets it. All right, Anvi, should I solve it?
Yes, sir.
So we will multiply by roots 2 plus root 7 multiplied by root 7 plus root 2 upon root 7 minus root 2 times root 7 minus root. So this has become a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square.
Multiply by minus divide under root 7.
No, this plus only. We'll multiply with plus only. So a square plus b square plus 2ab root 2 times root 7. So upon 7 minus 2 will be 5. So this will be 9 plus 2 root 14 upon 5. All right, Anvi.
Yes.
Next, seventh question, guys. So after doing the seventh A part, we can do the eighth A part also. Versa seventh is not correct. So when's the result coming? Do you have the exact date?
Around May, June, I think.
You don't have the exact date for the result?
No, sir, they haven't given it yet.
It's the end of May most probably.
So they said
Because
end of
last year it came.
Last year it came end of May.
Like for the boards, it came around 27 to 28 May. So like for checkpoint also, they're saying it will come on the same day. The date.
Cannot, but we cannot be sure. All right, guys, do all the parts. Eighth A, B, C.
so can you just read this again?
Yes. Seventh question, area is 30, find the value of x. So area is length into breadth. So 3 root 2 multiplied by x gives you 30. So x is equal to 30 upon 3 root 2. So that is 10 divided by root 2. You can just rationalize.
Yes.
We'll get 10 root 2 upon 2, which will give you 5 root 2. Okay. So Anvi, I did not get your answer also for the seventh question.
For the seventh question, my answer is wrong again.
Yes, beta, we have to be careful. We have to keep our nerves while doing the question and do it with a clear head. No eating, no blabbering, no mobile, no some other work. Then our accuracy will improve, beta.
Yes, sir. I don't have mobile.
Yes. Next question, what's the symbol? Is it plus or divide? This symbol is plus. So it makes the question very interesting.
Yes, sir. So the first attempt, sir, I think so I got it wrong. So I'm doing it on the time.
So we have to be focused like Ray and cool like Ore while solving the question. Then we might get a better accuracy rate. We have to combine two or three properties of two or three kids. So, Ore, you don't speak in the like class also? You are this silent.
Sir, I do.
You do? Then like are you like do you feel shy speaking in the online class? What's the matter?
Sir, I'm trying to concentrate.
Okay, trying to concentrate. That's great. That's great. All right, so maybe you got a star in your first class. Or you can do the ninth question. So Ray Kovarsa, should I explain the B part?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, is the answer 12 plus 4 under root 6?
No, beta, no. See, the easiest method for doing this question, I think I have not done it myself right now, but it should be rationalizing the denominator. So when I rationalize the denominator, I get 12 into 896 plus 108 times 8,
Yes, sir.
right? Upon root 8. So we can do upon 8. It will be upon 8. Or we can do one thing. Wait 1 second. 96 times. I'm looking for an easier way out for you. 8 upon 8. What was the question? We have to write in the form of root 6
So n into 2.
and into root.
Into root 6.
Okay, okay. So let's do it in the simplest form. So this will become what? 2, 4, 8, 16 to the power 4 or into 2 into 16, 32,
Into 3.
3. So I will get 2 to the power 5 into 3. So I can take 2 square out. I will get 2 square root 6, right? Then I can do the prime factors of 108 also. I will get 3 square into
So 3 square into.
3 into 2 square.
It will be something like 6 under root 3.
So we can take it as 6 under root 3. We are getting this upon 8. 36 into 3. And we have 2 cube also. 1 second, guys. I need a little bit more space for this question. Let me do it on the whiteboard. So my numbers are 4, 16, 16, 6 are 96, 4 root 6 plus 108. I got 12 into 9 into 8. So this will be 3 into 2 square into 3 square into 2 cube. So I will get 3 cube into 2 to the power 5, which is gives me 3 cube into 2 to the power 5. So I can take 1 3 out and I can take 2 2's out. So I will get 3 into 4, 12 root 6 upon 8. Any doubts in this? Yes or no, guys? Let me check this.
No.
3 into 4, 3 square into 2 cube. I got 2 to the power 5, so I can take 1 4 out. And I got 3 square. I can take 4 and I can take 1 3 out, so I'll get 2 root 6. So I will get 16 root 6 upon 8, which is will give me 2 root 6. So what's the answer for this? The answer is 2 root 6. Okay, Kuvarsa. Okay, Ray.
Yes.
So
All right. So whenever you get stuck in surds, the best way is to start with rationalizing the denominator. So you guys have to do the C part. And let me check your answer, Ore and Samay, for the ninth question. Ninth question is all right. You guys can do the 10th question. So Anvi, you got your mistake for the 10th, 8th B part.
Yes, sir.
Your 10th C part is also not correct. Are you correcting it, Anvi?
Yes, sir. I'm correcting it.
Okay. All right, Samir. 10th is also correct. Uber and Ray, should I help you with any question?
Sir, I'm solving the C part right now.
Sir, I'm solving this.
Anvi, you could have simplified 10 and 2. Then your answer is correct.
So then we will have to simplify under root 6 also.
No, beta. This is multiplication. In multiplication, you can just cut one factor out. In addition and subtraction, we cannot cut just one number out. In multiplication, we can simplify. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So what's happening? Ore, not Ore, cover. What's happening? Cover, keep your camera on, beta.
Sorry.
So the question is 10 root 3 upon root 32 minus root 80. So of course we'll multiply with root 32 plus root 18, right? So what will I get? I will get 10 root 3 times root 32 plus root 18 upon 14.
Yes.
We will get 5 upon 7. Then root 32 is 2 to the power 5. 18 is 2 into 3 square. So I can write them as 5 root 3 times 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Can I do that? Upon 7. Can I do that, guys? So I
Yes,
will
sir.
get 5 root 3 multiplied by 7 root 2 upon 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled out. You can multiply 5 into 7, then divide by 7. Because this is multiplication, we can cancel out any factor. I will get 5 root 6. So my answer will be 5. So Kuvarsa got it.
My answer was the same. I just calculated for a second time.
Beta, why are they doing partiality in your grade that they are not conducting any test, Kuvarsa?
So now there was a test
There was a test. And how many marks did you score?
for 7,
Out of? Yeah?
25,
You scored 7?
17.
Beta, why so less?
Actually, sir, I wasn't prepared. Even, sir, I got confused in a question and I missed just the question.
So the same test your mom sent me?
The mom?
Like the root 2 question in which the root 2 question came.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done ninth one. Ninth answer is... So Anvi, your ninth answer is correct.
Sir, even at the root 2 part, my 2 marks got deducted for that.
Beta, but if we are doing in the class, then you are doing in school. A little bit better marks are expected, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, what happened was that I wasn't aware of the test. Even uh, like I was absent because of health issue for 3 days.
So have you completed these exercises in your notebook? Because in the class we do just few questions, correct? Have you completed them?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, uh, in my free slots, I completed my maths till 1.6 D part.
Okay, fine. So ninth question, what's my answer? Ray is correct, Anvi correct. Kuvarsa, you have to do the ninth question. Have you done, Kuvar?
Yes, sir.
So those who have done can do the 10th and 11th one.
So the answer is A.
Correct. Do the 10th and 11th. May get an extra tick. So Ore do the 11th one. Ore and Ray. Anvi cover answer for the 10th question, please.
So I'm solving just 1 minute.
The question answer correct. I sent it to you.
Yes, Samay, I've checked.
Sir, I've seen it.
Yes, cover side's correct. So Samay and Ore, you guys can leave. Beta, we'll do this much only in today's class.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys. Good night.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Night, sir.
So the length of AB is 2 into root 14.
Length of AB. In
Well,
11th question. Yes, it's
yes,
2
sir.
into, 2 into root 14. Yeah. So, Kuvar and Ray, you know we have to use Pythagoras in 11th question.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Anvi, answer is correct. So, guys, you can complete this question and we'll discuss it in the next class if required. Okay.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Bye, guys. Good night.